You know QuickBooks is accounting, but I'm about to show you a whole other part of QuickBooks that you probably didn't even know existed. Over the past few years, we've been building powerful tools to put you in control of your cash flow. I'm so excited to tell you all about it. Let's jump right in. Let's start with getting paid. You're incredibly busy, and the last thing you want to do is chase payments. And as you've discovered new business models, you need different payments tools that can flex with you. And all of this has become so much more important during the pandemic that we're living through. And so our teams have been working around the clock to enhance all the payments tools within QuickBooks. I'm going to walk you through some examples. Now let's start with businesses who use recurring billing. This could be businesses who have memberships or subscriptions or repeat services. In this process, what we're trying to do is to automate what's historically been manual for you and for your customers. And so we fully upgraded AutoPay. So here's how it works. Simply set the payment schedule on your initial invoice. Your customer can easily select online to have payments run automatically, and there you have it. We've given you and your customer precious time back. Now, on the other side of the spectrum, some of our businesses have custom projects, whether that's design or landscaping services or legal services. For businesses like you, we decided to focus on what's most important, helping you seal the deal. And so we fully redesigned estimates within QuickBooks, and they'll be rolling out soon. On your phone, at the tap of a button, you can attach any media or notes to provide helpful context, stay on the same page, and build your client's confidence. You can set deposit terms. Your client can review the professional-looking estimate on the go and tap to send a digital approval back to you, and easily pay the deposit so the work can start. Now, just one more thing when it comes to getting paid, and this one we think you're going to find all sorts of uses for. Sometimes you want to drop the formality when sending a payment request while still looking professional. QuickBooks makes that easy too, with the ability to text or email a payment link to your client. It's super simple and super powerful. Now, these are just the latest additions in the ways QuickBooks enables you to get paid. And as a reminder, when you get paid through QuickBooks, you can do it through bank transfer or credit card. You can choose to get paid instantly through instant deposit. And when you're paid, you're done. Your books are up to date. So what about paying others? Paying bills can be an incredibly time-consuming process and full of worry. And oftentimes the process is dictated by how your vendor wants to be paid. So you might pay a utility bill using your bank's online bill pay, and then have to put a check in the mail because that's how another vendor wants to be paid. And during all of this, you're doing everything to ensure that you never bounce a check. Whatever it is, however it has to be, we want to help you get it right all the time. And that's what the new bill pay in QuickBooks is delightfully designed to do. Select how you want to pay on your end. And this is important. You can select how your payee wants to get paid. And we love this feature. For example, you could pay with a credit card while they receive a check. You then schedule it, and that's it. It's already done. We're confident that this will take work off your plate and get you back to running your business. So as you can see, we've been extremely focused on bringing you the most powerful tools to get paid and pay others. But we've also been thinking about how to tie both sides together to truly put you in control of your cash flow. And we've concluded that the best way to do that is to launch a digital bank account designed specifically for small businesses. We've called it QuickBooks Cash, and I'm going to show you just how powerful it is. We know that you want to see all the info about your cash flow in one place. So with QuickBooks Cash, you get full transparency into where you stand across all your linked bank accounts. We also know that you want it to be incredibly easy to do simple organization of cash within a bank account for different purposes, like payroll, rainy day funds, or saving for new equipment. With envelopes, you can easily set aside money without opening 5 bank accounts. And we know that you want cash flow planning to be so much easier and that you're sick of the drudgery of Excel spreadsheets. And so we introduced the Cash Flow Planner, which gives you a daily view into your cash flow 90 days in advance. And if a cash flow shortfall is projected, you can take proactive measures like scheduling a bill for a later date or taking funds from QuickBooks Capital, which our customers love because of the flexibility, speed, and convenience it provides. And that's the kind of thing I'm talking about when I say it all works together. Finally, we know that you need the money you get paid to be available instantly to spend. And so when you get paid through QuickBooks and use QuickBooks Cash, your funds can be available instantly to spend. And when it's not being spent, the money needs to work for you. So on top of everything else, there are no monthly fees on the account. It pays you back at 25 times the national average rate with a 1% annual percentage yield. And of course, it's FDIC insured. So there you have it. QuickBooks puts you in control of your cash flow. We can't wait for you to try out these new features and to hear about the impact they have on your business. And watch this space. We'll be rolling out more powerful cash flow features over the coming months. Thank you.